This here would have to be one of the worst jigsaws I've ever got. Like, it wasn't expensive, but look at this. That is how many of the backing bits came off, and to make matters worse, there are some pieces over here, they are so thin because they've lost the backing, but both colours are joined together. So you've got a choice. You can either stick it there, or you can stick it over here. So, needless to say, this one will be going in the bin. I wouldn't dare. Oh, that one actually goes there. I wouldn't dare give this jigsaw to anybody. This is just an embarrassment. This. Anyway, so there it is. We're moving on now to the 1,000-piece puzzle. Again, Kmart, $5. That's Australian dollars too, I should preface by saying. Let's open it up, see what it's like. Again, made in China, nothing unexpected there. This one here is going to be a finished size of 69 centimetres by 51, or if you prefer, 27 inches by 20 inches. Fairly standard plastic bag, no surround. Looks like they're fairly standard size pieces. Make sure there's nothing left in the bag. Very good. Okay. Very thin. Very thin pieces. Colours are good. Colours are good, smallish size, so they should fit onto my jigsaw board pretty easily. 1,000 pieces. It's pretty easy picture. Lots of interest in there. Should be quite fun to do. I'm thinking this might take me, I'm hoping, under 6 hours. Okay, one thing I did discover only after I opened the box is it actually has the other pictures in the range on the inside of the box. Not exactly great if you're looking at the shop, because you don't know until you've bought it what the other pictures are unless they're on the shelf. Also some other things on the side there, and here's the other pictures in the range. But as I was just saying, if you were to buy this at the shop and that's on, all you see on the sides is the actual picture, and on the back same thing. Here's the completed puzzle. Quality for this one was much better than the other Kmart jigsaw that I did for 1,000 pieces. So this one here, there we go, that's the final puzzle. This is the test, how well it picks up. As you'll see, it actually stays together pretty good. Better than some more expensive jigsaw puzzles that I've had. The thickness of these, average, but all the pieces stuck together. The only thing that I could say is that this piece up here, of all pieces, a corner one, missing. I'm pretty sure I didn't lose that, but there is a chance, so I'm not prepared to say that that's the fault of the jigsaw just yet. So in summary, if you're buying a cheap jigsaw, I can recommend the Puzzle Collector, which is by Cra-z-art. It's 1,000 pieces, as opposed to the Colour Luxe by Cra-z-art, 1,000 pieces.